Good morning, dear students. I hope you all good. Okay, today we'll be having our moral science section for 8th standard term 2 lesson 7. Okay, chapter number 7, a messenger of peace. Okay, so what do you mean by peace, ma'am? Peace means calm, pure, holy, and everything. Okay, hope you know who is this actually. This is a South African Gandhi. Okay, when our Gandhiji, our leader, when he was young, he looked like this only. Okay, Gandhi and the smut. He is the British emperor. I mean, British soldier. He is and raised in the British emperor. Okay. Now let's go to the chapter, a messenger of peace. Okay. This play is an abbreviated extract from the play Swami written by Pratap Sharma. It is set in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa to give legal advice to an Indian client. Okay, there is exposed to the discrimination and indicates that all the Indian have to face. He decides to stay back and oppose the discriminatory policies of the South African government. Actually, Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa to follow and have a agreement towards a peace and humanity in the Indian in the Indian nation. So he went to South Africa to get the amendments ready. Okay, here is the conversation between two or three people. Okay, hope you'll remember the characters. Mohan, full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, he called as Mohan in those days. Karamchand Gandhi, a young Indian leader. Okay, General Smut. General Smut means his name. A South African states and military leader. He is a military leader and an ADC. ADC means aide de camp, an officer appointed to help the senior officer. Okay, he is the officer to help the senior officer. Who is the senior officer over here? General Smut. Okay, now the scene is beginning now. General Smut is standing by a table talking to his ADC. Smut is in a furious mode. He brings his baton down hard on the table. Okay, now Smut, what do you mean the Indians are boycotting the commission? It has set up to look into their grievances. I am extending to hand to them. They ignore the offer. They ignore my offer actually. So he's like talking to his ADC, his helper, saying that I offered I offered Indians a beautiful offer, but they ignored because there was a leader called Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he ignored my offer very easily. So they'll be suffering in future for this ignorance. ADC, they say they would like the commission to have an Indian in it or at any respective they select. Now, Smut, it's impossible. They can't dictate term to us. Gandhi is now trying to come nose in the dirt. So he's telling like this, ADC, shall I let him say? Smut, who? ADC. Mr. Gandhi, sir. He's waiting outside to see you. After a little hesitation, Smut is asking ADC to send him inside. Show him in. ADC goes and brings. Smut strikes the table with his baton. Now second scene is now going to start. Smut adjusts his clothes and composes himself. Mohan is lit in. His head is clean shaved. He is wearing a faded white kurta and a lungi like an ordinary person. He is carrying a packet. The ADC withdraws. See, this is the appearance discrimination. Okay, this is how the Gandhi looks when he went and met this General Smut in South Africa. He is wearing white kurta and a lungi, which is actually a faded one. Okay, which is very very old thing. So he looked like an ordinary person, whereas he did not went to see General Smart in a beautiful and well dressed up, because he wanted to show how Indians are suffering in poverty and how Indians are suffering in the British emperors. So he wanted to show the grieviness towards South African soldier who is General Smart. Okay, Smart. Hello, Mr. Gandhi. How nice to see you again. Good. God, what you have done to yourself? So he's like wondering how Gandhi is looking like, because he's well dressed up. He's like having a haircut, well, in a beautiful manner. He looks like an officer when he was there in South Africa. But after he went to India, Gandhi ji, after he went to India, he cleanly shaved his head, and he is wearing a white kurta, lungi, which is very very faded one, and is like very much disappointed with his dressing. Okay. I beg your pardon, General Smart. So now Gandhi is telling, yes, I beg your pardon, because I should not come like this, but yet I wanted to show my poverty. I wanted to show my nation's poverty. That's why I am wearing this. Where is your suit, man? You always come here dressed in a suit. And your hair, what happened to you? See, he's again asking about his appearance. I was always prone to baldness. No, you have shaved your hair like one of those laborers, and you have dressed like one of them. So he is telling, I like to be in baldness. What do you mean by baldness? Hair is fallen, clean shaved head is called as baldness. So he is telling, no, you have shaved your head for the sake of the laborers, and you dress up like them also. Exactly. Now Gandhiji is talking. Exactly, to show solidarity with their suffering. So he is telling, yes, I wanted to mingle with them, not as a leader but as a normal person. You are rubbing salt into my wounds, Mr. Gandhi. He is telling. It's irritating to him. Okay, your wounds. No one has struck you, or shot you, hurt you as you mounted. Military policy I have done with the poor indentured labor. See, he is now telling. He told, no, you are putting salt on my wounds. So he is telling, wounds. Who shot you? Who yelled at you? Who beat you? None of us. Because you only are giving suffering to us. Okay? He is telling like this. But you have inflicted a deeper injury on me by your peacefulness. So now Smart is telling, yes, I did with my military soldiers, but with your peace, you injured me, you insulted me. You are beginning to see that. It has been distressing me for some time. Oh, I did not mean to cause you distress. So these two people are talking now. Smart is telling, you are the man of peace, but otherwise I should not have harassment on you. Mohan, if a lion on seeing a hunter approach, lay down on his back and put his paws in the air, the hunter would find nothing great in killing the playful and friendly lion. Great hunters would give up lion hunting if lions took to non-violence. So he's telling, non-violence is not the solution for everything. We have to be we have to follow non-violence principles also, like the lion does. Okay. Now, Gandhi, there is no joy for me in this hunt. So General Smart is telling, this is not what I wish for, Gandhi, but for my nation I have to do. He's telling, who? Smart is telling like this, you concede all your demands. So now they are telling, I do, because I see they are just. Gandhiji placing a paper on the table, 5 points are there, and exactly he wanted to celebrate according to the rites of Hinduism, Islam, and etc. 3, allow the entry of Indians into. Yes, I am aware of all the points. So General Smart already know the points, no? So he is talking. Now place this before the commission of its approach. Approval, sir. You heard me. Approval complete and absolute. Okay, now ADC salutes and withdraws. In Satyagraha, we do not seek to demolish or destroy the opponent, but we own him over to our view. I am won over completely. Now Smart is telling, because of the smartness of Gandhi, he's telling that I own because of your smartness. General Smart with the stars I shall probably leave for India. So now Gandhiji is telling I should leave. Okay, I have completed the work for which I came here. So now I'm gonna leave. But I can't say that I won't be relief for all of us. My plan is to go first. Gandhiji is telling. Okay, England to seek the advice of my mentor, my Mr. Gokhale, who is in Europe for medical treatment. His experience will guide my actions in India. As in India, still greater task await me. Smart. I dread to think of the fate of my politician, Mohan. I am only a channel for the truth. General Smart, in all these years we have come to know each other quite well. As a token of love, I would like to present you something. So now Gandhiji is telling, don't worry, it's not a bomb. Because Gandhiji is carrying a parcel, no? General Smart is like having a little much of hesitation. So Gandhiji is telling, don't worry, it's not a bomb. I don't believe in violence. So now he's telling, I made them for you. He's giving a pair of shoes, pair of sandals. Okay, I made them for you myself. In prison, I was a wonderful learning opportunity. He joins in palms in Namaste, then goes out. Okay. It's a good leather, ADC telling, smart, but I am not worthy to stand in the shoes of so great man. So he's like very much proud that a great Indian leader who always believe in peace and cooperation, he is not encouraging violence, is telling that I'm not worth of wearing it because this is from the pure heart. I should keep it as a memory. I should keep this as a lifetime memory. I should not wear this and tear this. So this is how the friendship of our South African army soldier and our Indian leader, because our Indian leader is not encouraging the violence, isn't it? So he is so much of belief in peace and humanity and unity. Okay, so hope you people understand the story, ma. This is about the peace and humanity and the cooperation among all of us. As an Indian, we should follow the Indian rules and regulations, and we should spread only peace and positivity towards others. Okay, so here is a biography of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji. Was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethnicist, and he was born on 2nd of October, Bobandar. Full name Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Assassinated means he was killed. Okay, on 30th January 1948 after the freedom. Okay, spouse Kasturiba Gandhi, his wife. And this is old Gandhiji. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. So all this is his quotes. Okay, freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. The man is a friend of all living things. All this is his quotes. Okay, the power of love overrules the love of power. The world will know peace. If you want real peace in the world, stay with children. Start with children. Okay, that's why this moral science portion has been given to you. Okay, hope you people understand the lesson. I'm gonna upload book back answers in the PDF format. Okay, you can see and copy down in your classwork notebook. Okay, ma.